हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज ये वीडियो मैं इसलिए बना रहा हूँ कि देयर आर सो मैनी concepts which is not included in the NCERT class 11 mathematics. So I'm going to create a separate playlist where we are going to discuss all the concepts which is helpful in solving the questions of NCERT exercises, and it will be helpful for future as well. So today we are going to discuss about the 3 unit, that is degree, radian and Gradian. So all of these units are used to measure a angle. Okay, like if I have to measure a length, I use a unit meter as a unit. In the same way, if I have to measure an angle, then I use any of these 3 unit. So what is angle? Angle is this one. If I take a ray, okay, we call it initial ray, this one. If I rotate this initial ray in any direction, counterclockwise or clockwise, then these 2 rays, this will become terminal ray. So these 2 rays obtains an angle, and this angle is measured with the help of any of these 3 units. Discuss about gradient. So basically gradient mostly used in physics, so we hardly see that the use of gradient. So the concept of gradient is one complete circle is divided into 400 division. Okay, each 90 degree right angle is divided into 100. So likewise total 400 division. That's all about the gradient, but we are going to discuss about the degree. Similarly, one complete circle is divided into many divisions, and that total division is 360 division, and each division is 1 degree. Okay, that is the concept of degree, but no one knows the accurate reason behind why the mathematicians or people, they divided a one complete circle or one complete revolution into 360 divisions. So, and the third is radian. This is very important. If a degree gradients are there, then why mathematicians have to come up with the radian? So there was a problem. For example, if I have to plot a graph in Cartesian plane, I use both x-axis and y-axis as a real numbers. This side, okay, but the degree is not a real number. So if I have to plot a graph between a real numbers and a degree, like the curve of sine, so I cannot plot a graph because one is in degree, one is in real numbers. So mathematicians, they came up with an idea of taking a 1 unit circle. We can take any family of circle, but anyway it gives a same value because all the family of circle will be in the proportions. So unit circle means a circle with 1 unit radius, okay, and they took a length of an arc is also 1 unit. Then the angle subtended by this arc, okay, 1 unit arc of a unit circle is 1 radian. Okay, that is the concept of radian. So similarly, the length of 1 unit arc in this side here as well, so it will make a angle here. So in one complete circle, like in degree 360 divisions are there, but in radian measurement, in one complete circle is divided into 2 pi radian. That means 2 into 22 by 7 will be 6.27 something. Since this is irrational number, so the value goes. So any circle is divided into 6.27 division instead of 360 and 400 in the case of gradient and degree. So let's say, let's take a one circle with radius r. Okay, then if the arc of this circle is also arc r, then the angle subtended by this r with the radius r will be 1 radian. That is also same. So that means r units length of an arc subtends an angle 1 radian. Okay, then using the unitary method, 1 unit length of an arc will subtend an angle 1 by r radian. So what about the angle subtended by whole arc? Okay, we know that the length of this arc is circumference of a circle, which is equals to 2 pi r. So what will be the angle subtended by 2 pi r, or the circumference of a circle, or the whole length of an arc? So 2 pi r unit will subtend an angle 1 by r into 2 pi r radian. So if I cancel r, that means 2 pi radian. So we have seen that in a one complete circle, whole length of an arc, okay, that is circumference of circle, will subtend an angle 2 pi radian. That means a one complete circle is divided into 2 pi radian, that is 6.27 something. So this much division in the case of radian. So that is the concept of radian, and this is a real value, because we have seen that angle here. So this angle is directly related to an arc of the circle. Angle is directly related to length of an arc of a circle. That means length of an arc of a circle is real value, and this angle is also turns out to be real. So the problem where mathematicians having before to plot a graph, for example, sine theta. If I have to plot a graph of sine function, then I can easily plot a graph with the use of a radian. Pi by 2, pi, like that. So the problem has been solved with the use of radian measurement. Okay, so we have seen that one complete circle is divided into 360 degree in terms of degree, and similarly one complete circle divided into 2 pi radian in terms of radian. So we can easily relate 360 degree will be equals to 2 pi radian. So how we can convert from degree measurement to radian measurement? So we'll see the conversion of degree to radian, or radian to degree, vice versa. So we'll see this one as well. We got that 360 degree equals to 2 pi radian. So if I divided both sides by 2, then 180 degree will give me pi radian. That means if I have to convert, okay, let's say 1 degree will be equals to pi by 180 radian. So if I have to convert 60 degree into radian, so if I put the value here, so 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian, then 60 degree will be equals to 60 into pi by 180 radian. So after cancelling, which is equals to pi by 3 radian. So this is the way how we can convert. In a similar way, from here we can draw that pi radian equals to 180 degree. 1 radian will be 180 by pi degree. So if I have to convert pi radian into degree, then I can use these equations. 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degree, then pi radian gives me pi into 180 by pi degree after cancelling 180 degree. So pi radian is equals to 180 degree. So finally I will give a formula how you can use anywhere whenever you have to convert. So this is the sign of radian by pi will be equals to degree, okay, 180 degree. So if we use this formula to conversion of either radian into degree or degree into radian, you can use this formula. So if you have a value of radian, this is theta with c, okay, so that is the sign of radian. You can use, if you have to convert pi into degree, then you can use here and you will get the value of this. Similar way, if you have to convert it into radian, you can use the value of 360 degree and you will get the value of this. So this all about the radian, and the main important of radian is we can directly relate with the real values. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we'll discuss a new concepts which will be helpful for future.